Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna show you our next week gold news analysis. That means USD news analysis. Okay. So as you can see there is Monday. There is no major gold. That means USD red news. That's why we just skipped it. And before that, we need to analyze the market movement, or we need to know what will happen if gold news, if USD United States dollar news come positive, what happened, or what happened if USD news come negative. That means for the positive news what we need to do, for the negative news what we need to do. So let's explain a basic thing. Let me explain that. So suppose USD news comes with positive data sorry, that means plus data, and another scenario USD news can become with negative data. Okay, so when USD news comes with positive data, that means USD, that means United States is strong. Okay, when it comes with negative data, United States is weak. Okay, so suppose this is a bar of gold. Okay, this is a gold bar. Okay, so from the beginning of the world, or from the beginning of the started world with gold uses, gold price is always constant. Okay, constant, and USD price is always variable. That means USD price can be up or down, but gold price is always constant. Nowadays gold is rising up. That means USD is getting weaker day by day. That's why gold price is getting upper day by day. Hopefully you understand the basic thing. Okay, gold is always constant. Gold, there is no price of gold ups or down. Gold is always constant. And in another hand, USD, that means it can be USD, it can be JPY, it can be euro, anything. It can be NZD, CNY. Currency price can be ups or down, but gold as a metal, it's a valuable thing. Gold oil price never ups or down. Okay, this is the constant thing. The price ups or down because currency got weaker or stronger. Okay, especially for the gold. So let's make the analysis now. So if USD news comes with positive data, that means USD get stronger. For this reason gold will drop. That means if USD come with positive data, gold will drop. If USD come with negative data, gold will spike up. Okay, so this is the basic theory. So in this scenario, like Tuesday, we have USD red news over here, another one is non-major news over here. If this news data come positive, that means green data, we will sell gold. Okay, and if it come with negative data, we will buy gold. Hopefully you understand this thing. Same thing 10 July, as you can see there is 1 and 2 USD news the same time. One USD news, another one NZD news. So if this data come positive, we will sell gold. If data come negative, we will buy gold. This is the simple theory. Okay, and another news, as you can see there, 6:30 at core CPI, CPI CPI YY, unemployment claims. The July 11 is most important day for this whole week, and July 12 is another one important. PPI and consumer statement and core PPI. This 2 day is very important. BVI. Okay, very important. That's why you need to trade properly on this 2 day, and this day also there is also coming another news, but this 12th and 11th is more important for us because there is a lot of news coming. Market can move around 200 to 400 pips over these 2 days. That's why we need to keep your eyes on our Telegram channel. You need to keep your eyes, because we are sharing each and every day new analysis or daily analysis. Okay, and we also share technical analysis as regularly. So you need to keep your eyes. So if data come positive, we will sell gold. The basic thing and simple thing. If news data come with negative, like red and green one is positive and red one is negative data, for negative data we will buy gold. Okay, this is the simple theory, and we will post update each and every minute on our channel during the news time. So you have to keep your eyes on FX Billionaire Hub Telegram channel. Our Telegram link is t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, or you can find it on our website www.fxbillionairehub.com. So that's for now. Mr. Bung signing out.